It's funny. Wait for it. Happy Sunday. Oh my goodness, you guys. I can't believe I said happy Saturday. For those of you over 50, you will understand my brain fog. If you are under 30, just wait another 20 years and then you'll understand why I said happy Saturday instead of happy Sunday. So it's a beautiful Sunday out. I'm so excited, actually. The weather is gorgeous. And if you saw my last video, I did get the Thankful Candle Harvest Gathering with the gold lid, which I'm super excited about. So my candle for today, I've been burning this one a couple hours now since I got home. I actually got home fairly early. I actually got home about 1, ate lunch, kind of cleaned up a little bit. And I wanted to actually burn the Fall Harvest Gathering today because it's a really nice all fall candle from Bath & Body Works. And I also wanted to kind of give you a little bit of a preview as to what was coming in this one. A couple of people have said they wish this one was Thanksgiving instead of the Harvest Gathering. It's funny, like I said, I like the gold lid, but the gold lid almost looks prettier on like a red or blue candle. It's kind of interesting. So I think you can swap out that lid. So Harvest Gathering is actually fresh picked apple. Earlier I'm like fresh pickled apple. Not pickled. Autumn berries and clove buds. This candle definitely has more of a Thanksgiving vibe to it. On cold, you're really going to pick up that clove note and that strong apple. It almost smells a little bit like a very like warm pot of mushy apples mixed with the clove. And then the autumn berries just gives it like more of a Thanksgiving-y, cranberry-ish vibe going on. But it's actually one of my favorite fall candles. I feel like it's a little bit early for Harvest Gathering, although burning it today, I gotta say, I'm actually kind of liking it. It's a strong candle, and it's really just like, I don't know, it's giving my house a nice, strong fall vibe. I had it in the living room for a while, and then I moved it in the kitchen, kind of moving it around my house. I actually blew it out for a little bit because it was almost getting too strong, and then I kind of just lit it up again for the video because I wanted to show you what it looked like lit up. And it's so pretty, I'll have to say. I like the jar. It's simple. It looks good in a candle holder. And like I said, it just gives off a really nice fall vibe. The lid on these is just your plain, your plain Bath & Body Works lid. So if you're looking for a good fall candle that will take you all the way through Thanksgiving, definitely consider Harvest Gathering. The other thing I like about it is the clove is not, in my opinion, overpowering like in a like smoky Halloween way or anything. It's got a nice warm cozy scent to it. Fresh picked apple. I think that's kind of the most delightful note in it. I don't know. Trust me, when you smell Harvest Gathering, they have it in the soap too. You're just gonna go, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this candle. Let me see. It was interesting today at my, oh my gosh, Harvest Gathering candle. I cannot even believe it is sold out online. Oh, by the way, candles are $16.99 today. I didn't even notice that candles were 10 off today, by the way. Very interesting, because I actually paid full price today for the Christmas stuff. Harvest Gathering in the soap is really good. How did I not know candles were 10 off today? That's interesting. Like I said, I was pretty micro-focused on just those Christmas candles when I saw them. It was like, whoa, Christmas. But pumpkin pecan waffles and the body care, gone at my store. I mean, there is a lot of fall that is getting really low, which is kind of sad because it's only September 17th. So if you're looking to get any of the popular fall stuff, champagne apple and honey is getting low. Oddly enough, that Together Weather, there's a ton of Together Weather, which was not my favorite. That's like in full abundance is Together Weather. But if you want Harvest Gathering and you want this one, I would check out your store today because this is a really, really popular candle. And apparently it is sold out. I can't believe it's sold out online. Wow. Anything else sold out? Let me look. I'm just curious. This is really interesting, you guys. I feel like fall is just in full swing here. That's interesting that the one candle that I picked to review today and burn is the sold out one. Go figure. I'm actually not even seeing anything. You know what? I bet you if they're, you know what? They're not even showing up in search if they're sold out. Wow. I am noticing only 93 candles available. What the what? Okay. Head into your store because I did see a lot of fall in the store. Anyway, if you like Harvest Gathering, you can get this one. Or, if you can find it in the store, or hold off until this one, but you're going to have to pay $32.95 for that gold lid. Anyway, happy Sunday! I'm going to get it right for the rest of the day. It's funny, that's the one thing everyone noticed. Everyone's like, Bonnie, it's Sunday, it's not Saturday. Thank you all. You always keep me going. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.